Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the TVApp on your Firestick in just a few minutes. This method works on all Fire TV devices. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any Firestick tips and tricks. What is the TVApp? The TVApp is a popular streaming website/app that lets you watch live TV channels, sports, entertainment, news, and more directly on your Firestick. The best part? No subscription, no sign-up, and no registration is required. Just install it, open it, and start watching. But remember, the TVApp is not available in the Amazon App Store, so we have to install it manually. Is the TVApp safe and legal? Since the TVApp is a third-party streaming source, Amazon doesn't verify it. The app itself is safe, but some of the content may be hosted by unknown third-party providers. This means your ISP can see what you're streaming, your government can track your online activity,